Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into YouTube so filters stick to your session. This matters when you save or repeat searches. Once signed in, open YouTube in a browser for full filter access or the app for quick taps. Choose what you want to find, gameplay clips, tutorials, or compilations, and pick primary criteria like length, upload date, or channel to narrow results immediately so you don't sort through irrelevant videos. Now apply filters. Click filters and pick type, duration, upload date, and features. These cut noise fast. Combine filters, say short duration with HD and last month, to surface recent highlights or clips. You can refine further with search operators. Put phrases in quotes to lock words, use a minus sign to exclude terms and/or to include alternatives. Once done, scan thumbnails and timestamps so you know which results match your play style or editing needs. Finish by saving fruitful videos to a playlist or watch later so you can return quickly. This also teaches the algorithm. If you need bulk lists, use a trusted browser extension or YouTube API to export results. Make sure permissions are minimal. If filters behave oddly, clear your cache, try incognito, or correct spelling errors. Sometimes localization settings change results. One troubleshooting tip: if a filter disappears, reload the page or restart the app to restore full filter options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.